How many handshakes happen at a party with, say, 20 people? You could try to count, but you'd quickly get lost. This simple riddle is the perfect entry point into what mathematicians call an investigation. It's not about knowing a formula, it's about discovering one. Let's start small. 2 people, 1 handshake. 3 people, 3 handshakes. 4 people, 6. We're building a table, collecting data systematically. A pattern emerges. We notice that each of the 20 people shakes hands with the other 19. So is it 20 times 19? Not quite. That counts every handshake twice, once for each person involved. So we divide by 2. 20 times 19 divided by 2 gives us 190 handshakes. We've just derived the formula. But here's where the real magic happens. This investigation isn't just about party etiquette. The exact same mathematical logic applies to a completely different problem: finding the number of diagonals in a polygon. Think about it. The people are the corners, or vertices. The handshakes are the lines connecting them, the diagonals. The formula is the same. A 20-sided shape has 190 diagonals. This is the core of a mathematical investigation. It's a journey that starts with a simple question, moves through exploration and pattern finding, and often ends with a surprising revelation, connecting 2 seemingly unrelated corners of the universe. It proves that mathematics isn't just about finding the right answer. It's about understanding the underlying structure of a problem, a skill that turns you from a student into a detective.